Khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. The dark is here to rule.
Ka IZ Group of Institution Bangalore, kadai ka college babatam na banta ka Jingpuli nursing but paramedical course, hospital training, thinio scholarship but 6% ka kam, haki hospital bahedo ha India but shabari. Na banta ka Jingpuli, ka Jingsiyo ka baret but pila banlek puli, da ka education loan, pila urban chukol ha number, khandai nyo, saw, san rin prano, lani khandai pran laisan, an riway khandai pran. Dr. Dipankar Das, Ubadai Chief Interventional Cardiologist, Unsawan Hanongba Shillong, Haka Arpanyutarek Ujamang Arjar Pulai, Ha Woodland Hospital, Bat Pila Balne Ikandu, Nadu Kapor Katwe Biji Sheneng, Bat Pila Ruban Shukol How number 90890-97907.
Myntri kena Sorkar Pdeng, Bhagwan Kuba. Bapet yakatnat new and renewable energy. Ulapan pawe ke Sngewhun halor ke Jingpyntreikam juk Sorkar jela bat ki bor sensiar ke West Khasi district ya ki Skhim ki bawan na ke Sorkar Pdeng wat la ki don katu kat ni ki Jingduna. Ya kani ulapan paw ha ke Jingekren bikila patai ke bor ha ke kat pratrik ujemang arhajar pulai ha ke Jingle yuk jat jong Shanong Ston West Khasi district ban pethu ya ki rukom Pdeng ki Skhim ke Sorkar Pdeng ha ke ni ke district. Uni Myntri ula yo lat ru ban ya kendo bat ki officer jong ke district na ki Pdeng bapher ha ke Jigelang ke belalong ha conference hall jong ke office deputy commissioner ban ya phliu jingbut halor ki Jinge baki ya kendo ha ke bedai baka Jingpyntreikam ya ki Skhim. Hadian kini ke Jigelang Myntri ula lej banjurip saya ke Anggan Wadi Center ha ke Shnong Mangkawa bat ya ke school Sip Singh Memorial Government High Secondary School kabadan Hanong Pdeng.
Northeast states are neglected up to 2014. After 2014, become Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji. Special focus for the development, special attention for the welfare of the Northeast states citizens. So, since 2014, these Northeast states, including Meghalaya, development has taken very much. All the infrastructure development like national highways, village connectivity, in village good roads, drainages for rural people or urban people, good quality drinking water through tap. Now, in the span of 9 years, the Northeast has emerged as equal to other developed states of India. Earlier, the Northeast people, including Meghalaya people, they are thinking that Delhi bahut dur hai, Delhi is so far. But now, whole India for the Northeast region, now it has come very close to the heart of every citizen of Northeast region peoples. Because it happened in every month or fortnight, Union Minister visit to every state to review the central government schemes and whatever they are facing to implement the scheme. Immediately we are addressing those challenges, these problems. Because of that, all Northeast region citizens now feeling that yes, we are developing at par with the other state of the India. So now all infrastructures, even in Northeast regions, there are many disturbances earlier. But our government has taken a very bold step to respect everybody's feelings and everybody's aspirations. Because of that, now Northeast region citizens are very happy with the central government, with coordination with state government schemes are implementing. So because of that, here each and every citizen have took benefit of central government, either in Ayushman Bharat, either in ration distribution, either in Pradhan Mantri Samman Nidhi, either in Poshan Abhiyan, either in infrastructure, in health sector, education sector, road sector, and in Gram Panchayat villages for poor getting Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana houses. So every citizen is now getting benefit of central government as well as state government. So schemes, very much I am satisfied with the schemes implementing here state government and district administration, and they have some challenges and problems. We have addressed how to tackle those challenges and problems. So my best wishes to the district administration and citizen of this district. Thank you.